Welcome inside the heart of a modern papaya factory, where technology transforms fruit at an astonishing scale. Every papaya is precisely cut by advanced robotics, ensuring perfection in every slice. From raw harvest to ready to pack, every step is monitored for quality and hygiene.
Sanitized and spotless, each fruit undergoes a meticulous cleaning process to meet the highest standards.
Every papaya is washed under strict hygiene, leaving no blemish untouched.
Laser-guided robotics detect the smallest imperfections with incredible accuracy.
Precision cuts happen in seconds, a process impossible by hand alone.
Expert teams ensure every automated process runs flawlessly, maintaining the factory's high standards.
A process impossible by hand alone. Slices are transported seamlessly to the next stage.
High-tech sensors scan each piece, guaranteeing only the best reach the consumer.
Even the handling is gentle, preventing damage and preserving flavor.
Real-time data ensures every fruit is tracked from start to finish.
Automated peelers remove skins flawlessly, leaving every papaya ready for processing.
Controlled flows ensure uniformity and preserve the vibrant color and texture. And
Quality checks come back.
The factory's immense scale allows thousands of fruits to move simultaneously without interruption.
Every slice is perfectly positioned, showcasing automation at its finest.
Frozen storage preserves freshness, ensuring every dessert reaches your table in perfect condition.
Once peeled, fruits are blended with precision for purees and dessert bases.
The scale of this operation is immense, yet every detail is meticulously managed.
From raw fruit to ready-to-eat dessert, the process is a symphony of automation and cleanliness.
From farm to factory to table, automation ensures speed, safety, and quality at every step.
A modern factory where technology and craftsmanship meet, creating flawless products.
Every process, every movement, synchronized for perfection at an industrial scale.
Frozen storage maintains perfection until products reach the market.
Inside this modern papaya factory, the journey from fruit to dessert is nothing short of extraordinary.
Packing is a seamless extension of production, fully automated and efficient.
The papaya is transformed to silky purees, ready for the dessert creations.
Every package is labeled with precision, ready for distribution.
Every batch is scientifically checked for taste and texture.
Precision adjustments ensure every dessert meets exact standards.
Automation orchestrates every move, creating consistent, perfect portions.
The final products are ready, a testament to precision, automation, and care.
Precision filling ensures consistent quality in every container.